Hey everyone, today we are working on a 12 by 16 canvas and we're going to do a dirty pour using titanium white, Pourage Posse Gold Rush, Pourage Posse Carolina Blue Shimmer, Pourage Posse Sleeping Beauty Turquoise Shimmer, and Pourage Posse Dark Chocolate Shimmer. These are my paints that I mix and sell. Information for ordering will be below the video. These do all shimmer. I will be adding some paints that don't, probably seasonally, and they'll be limited as well. So I am spraying my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray. Makes the cups easier to wash up. And it also releases all the paint onto the canvas. If you don't want cells, don't use this because this will give you cells. Not big ones, just little ones. So we're going to start with a little bit of white. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and skip over to the Carolina Blue. And then our Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. I'm going to layer that with some gold. And I always love brown with turquoise, so we will put some brown in there. And we're going to start over again. Just a little bit of white to separate. Carolina Blue Shimmer. This is like a phthalo blue. Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. Now in the first round I put them on each side. This one I put on top. It gives you a different effect when you pour. And a little bit of brown. And I'm going to go back with this little bit of gold and a little bit of turquoise and a little bit of white. The Carolina Blue is in there just for contrast as well as the brown, so I am going to give those just a tiny swirl just to marry the colors a little bit. Comes out for a better pour. Okay, I'm going to start with the small cup first because I may need to place some color. So I'm going to start in this corner right here. And I think I'll bring this one in. Of course, I got a big batch of blue there, didn't I? Alright, just going to give it a tiny torch before I start moving it around. We're going to really stretch this out, so hopefully we'll get some interesting designs going. I didn't want a ton of white. That worked out pretty well because we will get lacing from that. I am bringing it to this corner first. Back to the middle area. I do want to take some of this white off though. I don't want too much there. Normally I do 3 cups because I have more control, but I want to show you to use minimal paint, how to use 2 cups. Getting it all back to movement so I can get these edges here. Back to the middle again. Then I'm going to head down here. I could have used more brown. So now it's a balancing act. That cup out of the way. Let me torch it and see if we have anything under that turquoise. I always wipe my hands before I touch my torch. Less cleanup. If you guys been watching me a while, you know how I am. A little bit of OCD, don't I? I'm not seeing anything come up through there. So I think I'm going to mix up one more cup and I'm going to come across this. So let's try that. And I definitely want to put a little more dark blue in there, I think. Okay. So I'm going to come through. And all I have left is the blue and white in there, so I'm going to leave that there. Alright, let's stretch this one out. I'm afraid I might have too much brown. Get something to come up through it, will be okay. Not minding the gold being there, and I'm actually liking this a lot right here. Just stretch it just a little bit more. I don't want to lose that little blue corner. Got some blue coming up through there in gold. I'm going to turn it towards you the way that I'm looking at it. And we can let this set for 10 minutes and see if we get any more coming up through there. Because I kind of love this here. So let's see what happens in 10. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure I like this line where the brown is at. So I think I'm going to take that corner off, and that's going to stretch that out. I do like this, however, but sometimes you have to sacrifice a little bit. So let's see what that will do. And I'm not sure I'm going to be able to go all the way down. Okay, now let's bring it back. It is opening that up and letting, sorry, I was letting the gold up through. That's better. So I do have that big patch of gold there. I'm kind of hoping the blue will come through that a little bit. It's funny because a lot of people will email me and say, why do my metallics sink? I seem to have the opposite problem. Mine like to float on top. So let's torch that and see if we get any more coming up through now that we've opened it up a little bit. This will change a little bit as it's drying, but hopefully not too much because I like the colors. I don't mind that all that turquoise there either, because that was what I was going for, was the turquoise. This will dry so much darker and look so much different, and I will show that on Monday night as well. But thank you so much for watching. Check out all the links below for ordering paints. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Look at that skin. Pretty. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. right here on our channel. That's Eastern Time. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Check out our Etsy shop. The Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Code is below. There's lots of links below. Check them all out. And hope to see you on a Monday night. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.